Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start out by applying this other fin. I'm going to put down a layer of the liquid latex and then place the fin on my face and then smooth down the scar wax so that it blends. And then I'm going to take some more liquid latex and apply it around just to make sure everything blends in and it stays on. Then I'm going to prime with the NYX Proof It primer and then go in the ABH Norvina Pro 2 palette and use the shade C4 to do my eyebrows. I want them to be a pretty navy color to go with my underwater theme. And then I'm going to use B3 as my transition shade, and I'm going to place it like I'm going to be doing a cut crease. Then going in with B3 to add a little bit of depth to my crease. I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to start on my lid, but I'm not going to actually cut my crease. Then I'm going to use D5 to create a nice little wing, fill it up to my crease, and then over to about the middle of my lid. Then I'm going to use the shade E3 again to blend the edge of the shade D5. And then I'm going to apply A5 on my inner lid with my finger and blend it into those outer shades. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Light and blend it out with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to conceal with the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite in the shade C2. And then I'm going to set the concealer with the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm just going to go in lightly with that. And then it's time to start all the shading. We're going to start with the shade C3 and use that as our main contour color. I'm going to go in with a big brush for most of it, but I'm going to use a small brush to get around the prosthetic. And then we're going to keep going all around the face, down the neck, and on the chest. This is just going to be an outline for our contour. We're going to go in with more colors, so it doesn't have to be perfect or blended out all the way. Then we're going to take that shade down the nose and around the mouth like normal. And then we're going to go in with our next shade, which is E3, and we're really going to blend it out with that first darker shade. We're going to put this color everywhere that we put that first color in the same direction, and then we're going to go on the nose again and around the mouth, and then we're going to move on to our next shade. We're going to keep getting a little bit brighter with our colors, so we're going to use A3 this time and put it on the inside of that darker green shade that we just used. Go around the whole face, neck, chest, and around the nose and mouth again. Make sure to blend everything out really well so it's more of a gradient and not just separate colors. Then go in with A5 and apply it to wherever your skin is still showing. It doesn't have to be solid, but we do want everything to kind of give off this underwater glow. Once we're satisfied with that, we're going to take the shade E3 again and apply it on our lower lash line and smoke it out. Then we're going to use the Kat Von D Alchemist palette in the shades Emerald and Sapphire and apply it to the inner corner, brow bone, cheek, nose, lip, everything. We want to make it really heavy because we want to look wet. And then once we're satisfied with how much we're glowing, we're going to take the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner and go in and start drawing some patches of scales. You can add as many or as few as you want. You can do your whole face if you want to. I just did a few different patches and I really like how it turned out. And I added a few more down my neck and on my chest, and then that's going to bring us to our final look. I really love this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!